Did you know ducklings are among nature's cutest creatures? Watch as they explore their surroundings with curiosity. Their soft quacks are music to our ears. They love to swim, gliding effortlessly across the water. Look at them snuggling together for warmth. Their playful antics bring smiles to everyone. They're always learning from their mother. Each day is an adventure for these little ones. Did you know they can recognize their mother's voice? Their journey from hatchling to adulthood is fascinating. They symbolize joy and new beginnings. Let's cherish these adorable moments in nature.